Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change zoom controller actions in double tap on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the zoom. Then in this part in the zoom, scroll down and go to this section and then tap the zoom controller. Then in the zoom controller, go to controller action section and then tap the double tap. Then in this part in the double tap, if you want to change it to speak and touch, just tap the speak and touch until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it also to none, just tap the none until there's also a check mark on the side, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed zoom controller actions in double tap on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.